Hey guys, this is Jyoti. I'm back with a news story in regards to a new phenomena that is happening all over the internet, and this is a new technology where AI, you would just give it a few commands or just write a piece of text, just give it a small scenario, and an AI artist, like a computer software, is just gonna go ahead and make some images for you. So this is a new thing that is coming up, and a lot of people are thinking that this is gonna put the regular artists who create art out of jobs very soon. And this particular example is like that, where there was a guy, he entered into a contest where people would draw some art and paint it and or create some art, right? So he did that using AI, and he got the first place in the end. So people did found out in the end he did accept that he actually got this made with AI. But the point is that AI beat everybody else to the point where if nobody had told anybody else that this piece of art was created by AI, he got the first place. And you can see the image as well. It's looking really good. It's like a few people standing and they're looking out into abyss. There's a big window, and it's really a very nice scene where you could probably imagine this on a different planet as well, not probably on Earth. But it's like a really imaginative, right? So Jason Allen lives in Colorado, and last week lit the fuse on debate that's going to run and run. He's used AI software to create art, submitted to the Colorado State Fair Fine Arts competition, and took first prize. Needless to say, some people don't like the idea, but he actually got the first prize. So there are a few important facts to note. Allen did kind of acknowledge what he'd done in crediting his submissions as being by Jason Allen via Midjourney. Now, Midjourney is one of the softwares or AI software that is actually being used. It's in beta version right now, but it can actually create art once you give it some text prompts. So use software images based on the associations within them. This means that there is an element of human finesse to what it produces, but then again, there's going to be some use of AI as well. And Alan says that he did not actually complete the whole thing using AI. He did Photoshop some of the output as well, but yeah, it still goes on to prove that AI is going to be a big contender in these kind of things. So, this tweet in regards to that, well, someone entered an art competition with an AI generated piece and won the first prize. Uh, it's not, you can't really say it's shitty. It's fucking amazing as well at the same time. But yeah, I mean, but there should be a different category, I guess. If people want to compete with AI, there should be a different category for just a human than for the AI assisted image as well. I think that's going to be the future very soon, where people will get that scenario done as well. So what Alan says in the end is, I'm not going to apologize for it. Alan told the New York Times, I won and I didn't break any rules. Which is right. I mean, rules don't really indicate that you can't really use the AI. I mean, it's just like a contest where you can submit your art, and then after that, you get the decision. So the ethics isn't in the technology, Alan told the Times. It's in the people. This isn't to stop. Art is dead, dude. It's over. AI won, human sloth. This is the argument that he posted. So I think I kind of agree that AI is at a different level, but obviously there's some human input that is required to run the AI as well. Otherwise, it's not going to work like that. But yeah, there's going to be a fine balance in the future within AI and humans where art is being created. And this just goes to show how important it is to utilize artificial intelligence in our day-to-day things, starting this point or already has started towards the future. So that, John T, I'm signing out. You have a nice day. Thank you for listening and watching.